Today is Haitian Flag Day. Alright? Today we're gonna drink. Today we're gonna party. Today we're gonna listen to music. Today we're gonna drive around the whole city with our cars and our friends. 25, 40 deep in one Toyota Camry. Don't worry, that's gonna be us. And we're gonna be blasting I don't care. I don't give a damn. Because you know why? Because it wasn't cool to be Haitian growing up. Everybody bully us. I think you American people forget. You tell us we eat cat. I think American people forget. Y'all tell us we stick. I think American people forget that we wasn't shit. But now, on Haitian Flag Day, because y'all listen to Kodak Black, y'all think y'all Haitian. Baby, no. No. If you don't got that accent mark right there, motherfucker, you not a zoo. If you don't come from the motherland blood, you not a zoo. You can hear your mom and dad Haitian, okay? You probably call out, okay? You know where you from, okay? Let me tell you something to these American people that's talking shit. If you this year I'm happy I don't talking shit because no open no Buddha no top. This year Jamaican people don't talking, I love it because no open no Buddha no top. I'm talking too much. I'm talking too much. I need to take in my blood. Because this day, today, Haitian Flag Day, it's your life or no life. Okay? I want you to know that. Because it wasn't cool. Now everybody think it's cool because all these rappers out here got their Zo flag, but there ain't nobody weaping us. They're not doing nothing but try to get your attention by showing the flag, to get you to support him, to get you to buy their album. They're not out here busting their ass in Haiti. They're not out here sending that money to Haiti. They're not doing nothing. So remember, all my Haitian people, today we walk with our head high. Because I want you to remember where we came from. Because we was not cool. Now everybody want to be a zoo. Now everybody want to be friends with a zoo. Don't worry. Don't worry. Our time is now. If we don't take it, we barbecue.